Cebu stage is even gonna get hotter. Ako Pangutana is ready na ba mo sa atong next performer? Unsa para kay Luna? Unsa para kay Luna? Second, third, and fourth floor. Unsa ang para kay Luna? Thank you very much. And so with that, ladies and gentlemen, here in Robinson's Gallery Cebu, up next is a Filipina singer and actress known for her song, How You Feel. Yes, we are bringing her on stage, which also served as an official soundtrack of the Viva One series, Avenues of the Diamond. We have fans over here, so where she also stars as the female character lead, Samantha Vera Fatiamas. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Aubrey.
nice to be back here in Cebu. Actually, after a long time, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-perform. And yeah, maraming salamat po sa mainit na pagtanggap po sa akin. Yeah. Sa lahat po ng fandoms na nandito. Of course, sa Astres. Di po kami nandito kundi dahil po sa Astres. So maraming salamat. Of course, to Lance Bree Official, sa restaurant. Sa Ates of Lance Bree, sa Titas of Lance Bree. What else? To all the supporters, my supporters, Lovely, and to everyone po. Lovely, thank you so much. Mahal ko kayo lahat.
Thank you so much, grabe, no? I also want to ask you one question. As somebody who also has a fandom, and you know, we really want to make sure everybody watches it. Could you please invite Cebu and the rest of the Philippines to watch our movie, Minamahal?
Yes. Ready na ba kayo sa Astres? Ready na kayo? Sana panoorin at supportahan niyo po ang Astres, the first ever movie nila, this coming September 24. Makaasa pa kami sa inyo? Yes! Sabay-sabay po natin supportahan at panoorin ang Minamahal, Isang Daang Bulaklak. Thank you!
Thank you very much. Ready